Hi, my name's Maria. The last time you saw me, I was gallivanting around France, missing trains, taking a lot of L's, but I'm in Italy now, so I've learned better, right?
Nope.
Get ready for some more chaotic adventures, only this time in Okay, I asked the reception if they had any COVID tests and they don't. And I checked in the pharmacies and some of them close at 9:30, which is soon. So he's like, okay, you either walk there 20 minutes, which I don't have the time for that, or take a taxi. So he called me a taxi, so it's coming soon. To go to the pharmacy, which is where I literally was, like at that station. Oh my god. So I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, I found the other pharmacy and it's actually closer than I thought. Okay, I swear this pharmacy doesn't exist. I have been walking and I cannot find it. Yeah, I give up. I'm going back. I need to check it to the hostel. Well, at least I somehow found my third anime place. This is the only Italian I need to know. Just this. Okay, I just went to the pharmacy nearby and bought allergy medication and a test kit, so let's try it out and we'll see what happens today. I already feel so much better with just the allergy medication. I just gotta wait for the cold to leave. Also, how come in Italy and France, half of the streets are named after a day in September? At least the Italian ones are in Roman numerals, that's cool. What is this huge elephant doing here? And I'm learning more about the world through these little plant cards. You know, passing by all these nice Italian cafes, I kind of feel bad for going to McDonald's, but also I know that I need to try it at least once, and I will try the cafes after. I mean, France was great, but Italy is just like a different vibe. It's so cool.
Careful and nurture it year after year, watch it slowly changing with the seasons. Braving through the drought and cold, it all happens with the reason. Cause one day your buds turn to blossoms and they all say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now, planting her roots deep in the ground.
Oh my god, why are McDonald's panzerotti so good? It's like Pizza Pockets, but so much better. Just transcending, you know, transcendent. I don't know. So good. I hate whatever this is. The croissant is good.
Every other garden you come across along the way will look a little different.
Apparently that's the tallest museum in the world. And it's not like a sumo museum. Maybe I'll go inside.
Doesn't mean an orchid won't rise from the ground and then everybody will say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now, planted her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring
If you hear things moving in Italy, I keep thinking it's like a squirrel, but their squirrels are little lizards, so it's so cute.
I was never rushed to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors they bloom. Grow your garden, baby. Grow it slow and grow it right. Grow your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Water your garden, baby. Water it, cover it in light. Water your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Grow your garden, baby.
I was watching anime and then a guy came in and then he was on the phone, and then after he got off the phone, he was like, oh, are you watching anime? And then we talked, and he's here to watch the Eurovision semifinals, which is tonight. And he's from Romania, but he wants Sweden to win. Okay, I messaged my friend who was here a few days ago because she recommended the Eurovision stuff, and she's saying to go to this park to watch it with other people. So I need to go there. It's like a 2-kilometer walk. So yeah, tonight is gonna be Eurovision. Let's go. What the fuck is this?
Into the place, a spot you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone can't feel farther away.
Good morning. I just bought some cough syrup and took 2 shots of it. Feeling so much better. Hopefully this makes me survive the train to Florence.
Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? And if you could read my mind, will you cross this room tonight? Tonight.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tame on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room. I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Erin knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy.
We are looking for our friend, British friend. And
We're near the trees.
Yeah, all he said was we were near the trees. So now we have to look
garden.
in the tree. Yeah, in the trees.
Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. We'll both be in Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be.
Honestly, I can just like see myself chilling, Tuscany, cute little dress, looking all cute. Dude, this sounds awesome. I love
Yeah. And in discretion, and I start to question everything. Like what? Like when you kiss me on the cheek, what does it mean? Baby step beside Seinfeld in the 90s. Now I'm looking like Kramer and my Nikes. Yeah, with the heart attack. But you don't attack, you don't call me back. Why is Gen Z always only texting? I miss your voice when you're lying to me. If you could call me up like you used to call me daddy, and I could love you good, yeah, like you used to be my baddie. Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Come on. Give it up right now. Give it up right now. Give it up right now. Give it up right now.
What? Fine. Yeah, rich cooker. Why is it Korean? Wow. So cheap.